Hi, my name is Preston Sandlin. I own Home Inspection Carolina, and we are a home inspection company. We are typically called in after a buyer finds a house that they like, and they make an offer, and that offer is accepted. Our job is to come in and protect the buyer from any unknown problems or unknown expenses that they might get hit with. So we're going to come in and do a thorough investigation of the house. There's basically three mechanical systems. There's the plumbing system, the electrical system, and the HVAC system, and then obviously the structural. So from top to bottom, roof to foundation, we're looking for any structural issues, termite damage, like this. I got a little show and tell here. This is termite damage of a band seal. It's pretty bad. Rotten wood, moisture damage, things like that. Unknown expenses that that might hit you, so that you can negotiate these repairs or adjust your offer or what have you. Then we're also, like I said, we're looking at the plumbing systems. I have some show and tell for that as well. Whether it's old galvanized piping, which there's, like, if you look down in there, there's some rust and water distribution problems associated with this. There's different problems with piping system. This is polybutylene piping that had some problems. It would crack, and the older ones had aluminum connectors and elbows, and they would just burst. So you need to know about those sort of things as well. So HVAC problems, we're going to check out. HVAC is an acronym for heating and air conditioning, heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. We're going to check it out to make sure it's running properly. It still has some life left in it. And again, protecting the buyer from any unknown expenses down the road. So let's see, we've talked about structure, we've talked about plumbing. Next is electrical. The electrical system we're going to check out thoroughly, make sure all your outlets work, make sure that the breakers are in good working order. There hasn't been some handyman wiring or something like that, something that provides unsafe. Also, back during the mid 60s through the early 70s, they used aluminum wiring on the 110 or 120s, and this is kind of a problem because of arcing. Arcing is involved, and sometimes insurance companies will not insure a house with aluminum wiring, and that's on the 110 120s. But again, our job is to fully educate you on all the possible things that might be laying around the corner to hit you in the face that you're just not ready for. And that's our job, to basically hedge you against all those risks. And we would love to do an inspection for you. We always inspect a house like we're inspecting it for a family member, and it's great to help people with their dream. Most people buying a house, it's the American dream. It's if you look at most people's net worth, it's their house. So we love to be a small part of that, and we'd love to help you if you need it. 704-575-8701 or 704-542-6575. Home Inspection Carolina. We'd love to help you today. Thanks.